Hello students, welcome to my channel Maths with Shravani. Hope you all are fine. Students, today we will learn what are the competency based questions. Okay? According to CBSE, these questions are to increase practical knowledge and application skills of student to solve the problem. মানে সিবিএসই বোর্ডের আন্ডারে যে সমস্ত কোশ্চেন দেয়া হয় সেগুলো কিন্তু প্র্যাকটিক্যাল বেসড এবং সেগুলো হচ্ছে প্র্যাকটিক্যাল বেস এবং আজকের যুগে সাধারণ জীবনে সেগুলো কিভাবে অ্যাপ্লিকেশন করা হয় সেই অনুযায়ী কেস স্টাডি বেস টাইপের কোশ্চেন। তাহলে এগুলোকেই বলা হচ্ছে কম্পিটেন্সি বেসড কোশ্চেন্স। তাহলে আজকাল সিবিএসই বোর্ডের যে ম্যাথ কোশ্চেনগুলো আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি সেগুলো কিন্তু বেশিরভাগ এই কেস স্টাডি বেসড এবং কম্পিটেন্সি বেসড কোশ্চেন। শুধুমাত্র বইয়ের অঙ্ক করলেই কিন্তু হবে না, আমাদেরকে কেস স্টাডি বেশি করে করতে হবে এবং কম্পিটেন্সি এই ধরনের কোশ্চেনগুলো আমাদের বেশি করে সলভ করতে হবে। তো আশা করি তোমাদের এই ইনফরমেশানটা খুব কাজে লাগলো। তো চলো আজকে আমরা ক্লাস 7-এর কিছু অঙ্ক সলভ করব। লেটস স্টার্ট টুডেজ লেসন অ্যান্ড দোজ হু হ্যাভ নট সাবস্ক্রাইবড মাই চ্যানেল প্লিজ সাবস্ক্রাইব মাই চ্যানেল ম্যাথস উইথ শ্রাবণী। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ। লেটস স্টার্ট টুডেজ লেসন। Hello students, so let's start today's lesson, fraction and decimal. Okay, we will today do some competency question answer also. This is the NCRT solved question and answer. Okay, see main concepts and results. A fraction is either a proper fraction or an improper fraction. Okay, that means a fraction might be a proper or might not be a improper. Next, a proper fraction is a number presenting a part of a whole. This whole may be a single object or group object. An improper fraction is a number in which numerator is greater than denominator. That means in case of proper fraction, numerator will be smaller than the denominator, but in case of improper fraction, numerator is greater than the denominator. That means it might be 5/3 or 7/4, whatever. Next, a mixed fraction is a combination of a natural number and a proper fraction. That means it contains a whole number and a proper fraction. That means it might be 2, 3/7. Okay, like this. This is a example of mixed fraction. Now come to the next point. Two fractions are multiplied by the multiplying their numerator and the denominator separately, writing the product as product of numerator and product of denominator. For an example, 2/5 into 3/4. That means you have to multiply 2 into 3 and 5 into 4. The product of numerator and product of denominator, and we will get 6/20. Got it? Move to the next part. A fraction acts as an operator of. Of means product. Okay, for example, 1/3 of 3. That means you have to multiply 3 with the numerators. Here numerator is 1, so you have to multiply 1 into 3. Now the thing is that you have to do the cancellation. Now 3 and 3. Next 1 is left. Okay, 3 and 3 will be divided. Next, the product of two proper fractions is less than each of the fractions. Okay, that means whenever we will do the multiply of two proper fraction, we will get the number, the fraction itself, that will be lesser than the both fractions 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Okay, in case of whole number we get the greater number, that means 5 into 3, 5 threes are 15, 15 is greater than 5 and 3 as well as also. But in case of fraction we get the lesser number. Hope you understood. Next, the product of a proper and improper fraction is less than the improper fraction and greater than the proper fraction. For example, what is written? The product of a proper and improper fraction is less than the improper fraction and greater than the proper fraction. Now, the thing is that whenever we are multiplying a proper fraction and improper fraction, the product will be lesser than the improper fraction and greater than the proper fraction. Okay, here 1 by 2 into 3 by 2 is equal to 3 by 4, and 3 by 4 is lesser than the 3 by 2 but greater than the 1 by 2 proper fraction. Hope you understood today's lesson. Next, the product of two improper fraction is greater than the two fractions.